Was it the same? Lawn, anti-lag, lawn.
We got. Hold on, let's explain real quick. John's old tune from the OSI in the video I made a year ago. Is on here. All the popping and banging and shit. This is my Honda. We transferred everything from here to there. But actually, what we did was have my old tune.
We basically took his old tune and my tune and merged it, so we have the reliability of his tune and the pinga bang from mine.
Exactly. And I'm not gonna lie to you, we are watching a YouTube video.
Yeah. Oh, crucifix won't hurt.
Hey guys.
500. Wrong thing.
Then pretty much whatever you have your launch control set at, I was mine at 5,000. That's basically where the hard cut
Wait, go back. Wait.
mission. Then pretty much whatever you have your launch control
So 4750, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you hold the throttle a tiny bit up to where it gets to 4750, like 5%, 10% throttle, it'll go.
Mm-hmm.
And once you start holding the throttle a little bit more gas,
yeah,
and you get closer to 5,000 RPM, it'll start going slower, but bigger bangs and bigger pops and
that's what I noticed.
and flames. That's what I meant.
Because that one has launch control, and cruise control. No, that one has launch control, and I noticed that when I give it like half throttle, it sounds like an AK, and then like when I go all the way down, it's like boom, 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 and like it's not shooting flames, but it's bouncing off like the limiter, or not limiter, but like 5K. That's where it's set to. What the fuck is that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
which you probably will have flashed it already, but anyways, key in the option.
Shout out to this guy though, for real.
Got
What's
the
his
map
name?
pulled up right here.
Static Speed
And
Tuning.
Obviously, you want to save the changes first, and then you're just gonna click upload right there.
Bro's a
Since I'm
lifesaver
uploading
for real.
right now, I'm gonna put the pop and bangs map on.
Let me remind you that we're doing this on his gaming PC.
Gaming.
Gaming.
This thing is stripped.
It's okay.
It's for max airflow.
For real, you got the fan on it so it doesn't explode.
Yeah, bro.
The Hondadas.
You gotta put the car scene into the computer scene. You gotta.
That car's a big ass computer with wheels. Wittily. All right.
That's a Gigantor Pingar.
Get in the car. I gotta go to Kisimar to take a shower.
In my Pingar.
A POV of me driving. Just. So why don't you explain to the camera what you did different? Joro tuning. Oh, my hands are away.
Bang. Big bang.
Big bang. My OG tune was a bass map. Like full bolt-ons and shit.
Did I put the first one or the second one?
What is that?
Some Camry.
Oh. I love how it does that.
One.
What do you mean?
I don't know if I put the first tune. Like well, I mean, I guess we'll figure it out if we drive and anything's different.
I love how it goes up by itself.
Okay, let me get in.
Look, the shift light's about to come on. Damn.
So I don't go into fifth?
No, it does. Look.
You sure?
Oh.
Already, yeah.
All right, campers.
All right, campers.
Take the keys to my manual Honda Civic SI and prepare to die. Niagara. Is that 1,000, right?
Huh?
Is that 1,000?
What? Oh yeah. All right. I mean, I hope this is the second tune. I don't remember if I loaded the first or second. You'll feel a difference. Let go of the throttle. Yep.
It feels
That, huh? Damn. Damn. Are you doing this shit on purpose?
I swear to God, I'm not. Bro, it's like I give it more gas.
Give it a little bit of throttle. What that's doing?
I swear. Yeah. That lady's looking at us like we're stupid. Alright, let's just shift. Okay.
God damn. That shit got me going everywhere, bro. Throttle, throttle. Hold on. Bro, this fucking guy is looking. That's a cop.
Bro. Bro?
Yeah.
Bro, I do not like this thing. We gotta change it ASAP.
Try it now. Just throttle it. Got my titties flopping everywhere, bro. Give us some gas. Give us some gas.
Better wait, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a bird now. You heard that?
Uh-huh. Hold the throttle a little bit.
I am.
You are?
Yeah. Let me just. Oh, shit.
Wait. Does it do it here?
What?
The thing?
We didn't try launch control yet.
No, we haven't done that either. Yo, your phone is hot as fuck. Because if it's not doing it on the high end, I think I know what it is.
I was gonna try launch control. There's a fucking guy just standing there.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's a girl. Oh, and a little four-wheeler.
Oh.
Alright. We need to put the other tune back on because this one is not
Is
it.
that on that side?
I don't know. We gotta put the other tune. There it is. Has the SI rims. Is it? No, it's not. It has
It's the
SI
base
rims,
model?
though. Yeah. I've never seen a white SI. Bro, I don't like how
Sucks.
jumpy this is.
Can I drive it? Holy shit.
It's so fucking bad. We gotta put the other tune
Oh, fuck.
on ASAP.
Alright. Wait, can I drive it?
Do you want to?
Sure.
Oh, wait, let's try the launch control.
Oh, I see. So to get it to pop, you give it a little
back on until we get this one figured out.
I think what it was that I put it to pop at too low of an RPM.
Maybe. What the fuck? Oh wow. Damn, they looked. Oh, the cars for sale.
Well, at least heel towing is pretty fucking good on this.
Someone love me.
Let's see. What? How,
Don't do the two-step. Don't do the two-step.
Don't do it?
Cause I feel like that's, I don't trust it.
Damn. So yeah, first gear I gotta fix.
What the hell just happened? So what we're doing is
Here's my Flash Pro.
loading
So pretty much what
the
you
old
have to
tune
do
because
is plug it in.
we're still trying to figure out this. We're not tuners. We're just experimenting.
And once it is
Yeah.
plugged in, all you have to do is take your key, turn it on to accessory mode, and then there it is. And once it's done,
You sure your back didn't crack?
My back?
Stop
Oh, no, it
flashing
cracked a
as
little
well,
bit.
Right here.
And then you are
Yeah.
going to
Was it from that fall?
or you can
Yeah.
turn it off.
Really?
So I'll
Yeah.
see once it's finished.
We'll go for a quick spin, right?
Huh?
You would've...
We took the tune off. Well, John took the tune off because, well, not really need to explain why. I'll just show the video. You going up and down. But I recorded that. Did
Yeah,
you see it or no?
not yet.
Bro, you were jumping like that.
All I gotta do is just adjust for the gear. And that's really all I gotta do.
Is it right here?
Yeah.
Damn it. I was gonna do a poll. Record those Civics. Oh, look at Victor.
Oh, he's outside.
Yeah.
Oh, he either just got back home or he's going somewhere.
What?
I have a different thing in place we can do.
What?
I'll show you guys.
Oh shit. Huh? Bro said he knew a spot. Holy shit. No, 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 no. we need GoPros, man.
What that look like?
It looked cool. Are you gonna floor it in there? Oh shit. What?
I almost flipped it twice.
Let's go find some more spots.
I'm gonna take you guys before it's too late.
Okay.
Floor it?
No. Where's the alligator?
Okay, you're scaring me.
I recorded that. Yes, I did. Uh-huh. Look, the one on the right. The one on the right. The one on the right is like a Alice in the Wonderland type shit. You wanna go on there?
Let's go left.
Let's go what's on the left.
Left stand for this man.
Okay, okay. This is gonna be a good video.
Man, don't touch my four-wheeler, man. You get that?
What? Yeah. Hey man, don't touch my four-wheeler. Ah, fuck. Fuck. Can't see anything behind us. That was the scariest fucking thing
We
ever.
lost one, but we're still here.
Your head is all fucked up, bro.
Does it really?
Yeah, it's like a cone head. It's like this.
It looks like a fucking flat screwdriver.
Yes, bro. But what happened was. What happened, John? We found the street. There's like
We went through a place we weren't supposed to, and these two sketchy at the most convenient place. Like these two dudes in the most convenient place for them pop out of nowhere like, hey, we down here, we hung a pig, we lost our dog.
They're talking about hunting pigs and shit, and how they need a ride because they lost their dog or something. And then John gave one a ride in the middle of the woods, and in the middle of the woods, it's kind of fucked up. But I told John, like, I don't feel safe, and that kid went in the woods, and I was like, I don't feel safe, John. We should get the fuck out of here and leave this kid. I was like, John, I don't feel safe. I think we should leave this kid we should just leave this kid. It's fucking sketchy.
We basically left the kid in the woods. Well, not a kid.
not a kid, no, but he's our age.
He's like probably like 25 or some shit. Because he had a remote and he was trying to look for his dog. And
yeah, and his friend, like, this story wasn't adding up. This shit was scary.
And his friend was just because they're called Victor, and he picked up.
Yeah, we called our other friend on the scooter or on the little dirt bike, and some other dude answered. I wasn't him. I'm like, this nigga being held at gunpoint.
I'm like, wait, where's Victor at? He's like, well, I don't know. And I was like, what do you mean you don't know? Where's Victor?
That's fucking
and then Victor
scary.
Answered. I think Victor was held at gunpoint, bro.
Fuck.
I'm calling Victor right now. Hold on.
Call him. What happened, buddy?
Still putting it on.
No. Look at the camera. Tell them what happened.
Bike stop, bike turn off, bike don't want to turn on.
Bike
rescue.
Then bike turn on.
And now we don't rescue.
Pinga.
Yep.